going to class 10 mathematics ka kan zirdo na mathematics apo algebra b khi ka changani chuan algebra chuan lesson masaber polynomials lesson number 3 kha kan zirdo na ni hemi polynomials a chuan introduction kha kan en photanga hemi algebraic expression hemi form px equal to a0 plus a1 x1 plus a2 x square plus so on an xn. Chuan a0, a1, a2, an2 real numbers. Ma se an2 0 kha atluk turlo. Chuan algebraic expression hi kantia. Algebraic expression chu variables le constants kha atelani. Variables kanti chu symbols which do not have fixed value. Variables kan ti chu symbols fixed value nei lo kha. Example tan x te y, z, and so on. Chuan adang le chu constants. Constants hi symbols tho ma se fixed value nei ni. Symbols having fixed value. Example nan 1 there, 2, 3, less, so on. Linear equation theorema, quadratic theorema, cubic the, biquadratic the. Degree zirin mingha kan pe ni. So, that's one linear polynomial hi nge ni. Linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 to linear polynomial contain. A polynomial of degree 1 to linear polynomial contain. So, an example tan a general example chu hi kan mang thaya ax plus b hi a general example ania a particular example a chuan 3x plus 5 te heta chuan variable kha degree pakhat ane ne chu linear polynomial variable in degree pakhat nei chu linear polynomial adot le chu quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial chu polynomial degree pan hi ane ne. A polynomial of degree 2. Here me example to ax square plus bx plus c or 3x square plus 5x plus 2. Heta kan n ber to a degree here nia. Adot le chuan cubic polynomial. Cubic ti chu pathum tinania. A polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. A example kha ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Or we can give 3x cube plus 4x square plus 2x plus 5. So on pakhat le chu degree 4. Polynomial degree pali nei chu quadratic biquadratic polynomial kan tia. Biquadratic so a general example to ax to the power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e, or 5x to the power 4 plus 3x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 1. Value of a polynomial at a given point. Px ang mo polynomial lo nita se. Chuan at x equal to alpha. Ganti chuan hemi value hi da angaya ni. For example, 2x square minus 3x plus 5. X equal to alpha kan tia a general. Chuan hemi aya chuan engmo number kha kan lak chuan suppose 2 laun ta se hey p2 kha kan da nga 2 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 5. Here 8 minus 6 plus 5. 8 le 5 kha 13, 13 minus 6 kha 7. Here 7 da. Om there to value of polynomial px 2x square minus 3x plus 5 at 2 to 7 ani. Here value of a polynomial at a given point. Tinani. And next let's do zeros of a polynomial. Zeros of a polynomial, a real number alpha is called a zero of the polynomial if p alpha equal to 0. Px equal to x square minus 3 laun ta se. Hemi value hi 0. 0 hi intine kan mu thayang. X aya chuan kami value kha substitute turani. Tikhinan p of 3 mangila 3 square minus 2 into 3 minus 3. A 9 minus 6 minus 3. 9 minus 9. So p of 3 to 0 ani. So this shows that p is one of the zeros. Mase hemi power 2 omchuan share thei chu 0 pan hi omani. Enge niang 0 pakha chu. Kha kan jong turin he kan factorize thei ani. X square minus 2x minus 3. Factorize turin mid term split nga ya splitting the middle term kan tia chon hem split don chuan factor khangai ni 1 le 3 1 into 3 hem mangin 2 kha kan hu ngai ni he hin tinia kan mu thayang x square 3 le 1 atangin 2 kha kan hu ngai ya omja chu minus 3x plus x minus 3 he x into x minus 3 plus 1 into x minus 3 x minus 3 into x plus 1 3 chu kan da to chuan x equal to minus 1 kan da the ni p of minus 1 hemia kan da chuan minus 1 square minus 2 into minus 1 minus 3 so 1 he plus 2 minus 3 3 minus 3 equals to 0 p of minus 1 to 0 ni aum ja chu 3 and minus 1 are the zeros of can fx can px to x square minus 2x minus 3 ani zeros of the polynomial chuan khami value kan da in 0 kha kan hmu tur ania chuan hetian kan hmu chuan hemi 0 zong turin factorize anga ya factorization a chuan splitting the middle term kha kan hmangani middle term thiat nan first term le last term kan multiply anga ya chu ta tangin factor chuak chu splitting a kan hmang tur ani chuan hemi tangin kan hriat the chu 3 le minus 1 chu zeros of the polynomial x square minus 2x minus 3 ani ta tuna chuan I inkar relation between the zeros and coefficients of a quadratic polynomial entini an inkar zeros le khami roots inkar entini relation hi kan siam thayang ti kha kan endon ani relationship between the zeros and the coefficients of a quadratic polynomial. Hemi case a chuan quadratic chau kha kan hmangdona cubic po kan ti thei thowa ma se hemi kan lekhabu a chuan specific quadratic polynomial deal turin min te ni chuan hemi a chuan quadratic polynomial kan nei chu ax square plus bx plus c chuan hemi quadratic polynomial 0 chu alpha le beta kha ngaila let alpha and beta be the zeros hemi zeros ani chuan alpha plus beta sum of the zeros kan tia sum of zeros alpha plus beta chu minus b by a minus b kan ti chu hemi coefficient of x minus coefficient of x divided by a chu coefficient of x square chuan dang le chu product of zeros kha kan multiply chuan enge kan muang product of the zeros product of the zeros to C by A. C kan ti chu he constant term tinania. Constant term by coefficient of x square. Hemi kan shiat chuan hemi coefficient kan shiat chuan a relation chu kan zong the ni kan verify the ni hei hi shiat angaya hei hi by hat angaya sum of the zeros to alpha plus beta chu minus b by a ti chu minus b chu hemi coefficient of x coefficient anita chuan a chu coefficient of x square chuan product alpha into beta chu c by a, that is constant term by coefficient of x square. Chuan hemi verify turin example pakhat kan tianga. Find the zeros of the polynomial fx equal to 2x square plus 5x plus 2 and verify the relation between its zeros and coefficients. So when hemi 2x square plus 5x plus 2 zeros kha kan zong aya intine kan zong thayang fx equal to 2x square plus 5x plus 2. Hemi kan entur tu middle term split khani maya middle term split nan first term le last term kha can multiply to 2 into 2 to 4. Then hemi 4 tangin into 5 kan muthaya. Ti khania. Chuan factor of 4 kha kan nei chu 4 1 ja 4. 1 le 4. 4 plus 1 om khan 5. Kan mang thaya 4 minus 1 kha 3. 3 om chuan 3 apo kan mang thaya. Chuan hi kan mang don ni. 2x square plus 4x plus x plus 2. Chuan hemi panhia common kha kan la don ni. 2x x plus 2. Hi nita. Chuan hemi panhia chuan common engma lawa. Engma common lo chuan 0 kha da lo tur. 1 kha da tur ania. X plus 2. Chuan hemi term kha I nang ta pona kan la chhuak common angin x plus 2 into 2x plus 1. Chuan equate la fx equal to 0. Hemi kan lak chuan x plus 2 equal to 0 or 2x plus 1 equals 0. X equal to minus 2 or 2x equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 1 by 2. So zeros panhi kha kan muto ni. Chuan zeros panhi kan tina chan chu quadratic polynomial anita. Quadratic polynomial chu degree panhi nei. Degree panhi nei ti chu zeros panhi tina ni chu. Hemi power n in zeros kha kan enturania. so he alpha kha ngai chuan alpha kha kan ngai thea he beta kan ngai the ni chuan verify turin a second part verify the relation between the zeros and the coefficient verify turin hemi hi kan mang turin ya so sum kan tita sum of zeros to alpha le beta kan bel tur kan alpha to minus 2 le kan beta to plus of minus 1 by 2 hi LCM kha kan langa minus 4 plus of minus 1 minus 5 by 2 minus 5 kan mu chu hemi kan polynomial n turania quadratic polynomial 5 chu coefficient of x anita that means minus coefficient of x let 2 chu coefficient of x square chuan a product kha kan lak chuan minus 2 into minus 1 by 2 or hemi point a chuan no pang tam tak chuan tiswal thin ani an cut le thin ani he hi cut lo tur ania cut chuan hemi nen kan compare chuan adik don lo ani he hi shiat atul ani so he chu 2 by 2 kan ti chu hemi constant term by coefficient of x square chuan hence verified